everyone, welcome to Yopedia and this is Shikha. So friends, if you are also preparing for the group discussion, for campus placement, for PSUs or any other organization, so Yopedia is the largest platform which is making you prepare for every kind of GT. And as we are covering current and the most hot topic every day on Yopedia campus placement. So yes, today the topic of discussion is the growing wealth gap and its effect on social stability. As rich people are getting more richer and poor are getting more poorer. So what are its effects on the social stability, how it is causing inequality, and what are the another factors basically it is covering, right? So that we all want to be discussed in this particular video. So stay with me till the end and let's just discuss this topic. So yes, I have just provided you some pointers on some skeleton on this particular topic. First, you need to be start with the good introduction part. That is, yes, it has been increasing the I can say widening lot of gap between the wealthy, very wealthy, and the rest of society is not merely an economic concern, right? So it's a significant threat obviously for the social stability. So yes, in this particular topic we need to be discussed. So yeah, these are the major pointers you need to be put if you are sitting in a discussion of this topic, that what are the major effects on social stability. That is middle class squeeze. Yes, बहुत ज़्यादा जो है मिडिल क्लास स्क्वीज हो जाता है, बिगर डिवाइड बिटवीन रिच एंड पुअर, एंड ये बहुत बड़ा टेंशन भी है. अनइक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटीज, यस, जो रिच पीपल हैं उनको ज़्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलती हैं, हेल्थ केयर, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, एजुकेशन, वेयर एज द पीपल of poorer like section of society, they are not getting equal opportunities in any term. When it comes to political divisions, yes, income differences जो हैं that can lead to different political views, which is automatically making harder to make it, find a common ground, the common goal, and that leads to be political divisions. वो political hindrance भी बन जाती है basically, वो political traumatized चीज़ें भी बन जाती है when society is not stable and is unequal. Then rise of extreme ideas. Yes, जो लोग हैं वो बेसिकली रिलीजन के नाम पे, कास्टिज्म के नाम पे, रेडिकल ग्रुप्स एंड बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो हैं पॉइंट्स रेडिकेट करते हैं इन सोसाइटी, which is going to be make a toxic environment and it's very difficult to live in a toxic society. So these are very good pointers I'm telling you. If you are even not aware about the topic, so yes, you can go with these pointers. Then it comes to potential for more crime. Yes, when people are getting unequal opportunities, when people are not getting proper resources, proper allocations, so yes, there is a lot of chances that people are more engaged towards the unlawful activities, right, which is automatically leading to the young youth of the India and youth of the society. And yes, that's the point where society takes a U-turn. Limited upward mobility. Yes, it's very important, or I can say it's very difficult as well, जहाँ पे सिर्फ मतलब रिच जो लोग हैं उनकी सुनी जाती है या उनको ज़्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिलती हैं. एंड इन 21st century and when we are in a developing nation like India, still we are facing these kinds of problems. ठीक है, वहाँ पे जहाँ पे वेल्थ को सबसे ज़्यादा टॉप पे कंसर्न कंसीडर किया जाता है, दैट्स वेरी threat to social stability. Yes, because there are a lot of countries who are even considering their happiness index, right, their health index, so that's why they are more far ahead from us basically, or they are taking a lot of steps from us. So yes, this is something. Then it comes to weakened community ties. जो different community groups हैं वो आइसोलेट हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि लोग जो वेल्दी ग्रुप्स हैं उनको ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस देते हैं, उनको ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस एक्चुअली मिलती भी है सोसाइटी में, जो कि सोशल ट्रस्ट को रिड्यूस करता है. देन प्रेशर ऑन पब्लिक सर्विसेज. येस, अनइक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटीज, अनइक्वल रिसोर्सेज एलोकेशंस, एंड बिकॉज देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर ऑफ रिचर पीपल, तो वो प्रेशर कहाँ जाता है, पब्लिक सर्विसेज पे जाता है. मोर पॉवर्टी मीन्स मोर डिमांड. आप इसको वाइसा वर्सा भी ले सकते हो. अगर पॉवर्टी ज्यादा है तो डिमांड भी ज्यादा होगी, जो कि गवर्नमेंट उसको कई बार सपोर्ट नहीं कर पाता विद देयर रिसोर्सेज. एंड इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ द रिच. यस, जो एक्सट्रीम वेल्थ है वो कुछ लोगों को बहुत ज्यादा बेसिकली affect करती है in the politics as well. Then it comes to global impact. ठीक है, जो wealth gap है within and between countries can create international instability as well. Yes, जब within the society, within the one country it is happening, it can happen anywhere when it comes to wealthy people and the very poor people. So that gap shouldn't be there. What can be the possible solutions we can take or the government can take to remove this social I can say instability, or to remove this gap between the rich and the poor? That is fairer tax. Fair tax should be there. We need to implement progressive tax system जहाँ पे where higher earners pay more and consider taxes on wealth to redistributed resources. Then it comes to stronger safety nets. We need to expand social programs like unemployment benefits, affordable housing, access to healthcare support, which is very important. We need to invest in education as well. We need to increase fund for education, job training, and we need to create equal opportunities to economic advancement. Very important that we need to raise minimum wage. We need to ensure that we should give a living wage for low income works as well to reduce poverty and income inequalities. Then it comes to support small business, SMEs. Lot of people are doing that. We need to promote entrepreneurship and provide resources for small businesses too. Corporations को we need to regulate. हमें antitrust laws को enforce करना होगा to increase corporate transparency, to limit excessive corporate power. Then empower workers. Yes, strengthen worker rights and union to improve wages and working conditions, because we need to make aware people what are their rights as well as their duties so that they can equally learn the same. Limit political influence. Yes, we need to eradicate corruption from the society. We need to highlight that kind of causes, and yes, we need to be good with the political things. So we need to limit the political influence कि किसी का over ना हो political influence. That is reform campaign or finance laws to reduce the influence of money in politics. And yes, community development को promote करना चाहिए to social stability in the society. Invest in community initiatives and that foster social cohesion and address local needs. Then it comes to tackle discrimination. We need to address systematic discrimination to create a more equitable and inclusive society for all, right? So yes, this is the topic. This is very current and very most important topic related to socio-cultural domain of GDs. Why this is important? Because yes, rich people are getting more richer, poor people are getting more poorer, and it is causing social instability. So that is something very important. We need to guys address it out. And when you are sitting in a panel, I can say group discussion, you need to go with these good pointers. You can easily learn them, you can easily revive them, you can add on your own pointers, and please give relevant real world current example which can be relatable towards a pointer as well. You can download this documentation from your Yourpedia panel and can practice these GDs in the sessions as well, which is conducted by Yourpedia team. And yes, we are here to assist you out. So yeah, this is all about this particular topic. All the very best. Good luck.